Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Big news for Eden McCarthy, umfana omncane olaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, usejoyine i-agency elirepresenta even one of the best or the biggest names in South African football or ku-world football, because of le agency lena ayijoyinayo bafethu irepresenta ama-players adlala phesheya, adlala locally, adlala everywhere. So meaning that unamaplani mhlampe naye umfana ukuzibona lena overseas because of i-agency le emrepresentayo irepresenta no-Foster bafethu i-striker sebafana idlala laphana ku-English Premier League, meaning that le plan lakhe vele in that time alikhuluma nobaba ukuthi ufuna ukudlala ko-Champions League, ufuna ukudlala e-Europe, i-plan lakhe li-on ngempela, uzimisele. That is why ajoyina i-agency ene-reputation egood yokuthi iyakwazi ukuthatha ama-player iwadlalisa iwabeke lena e-Europe ukuthi abafana babe i-success laphana. So congratulations to him. Ngiyazi ukuthi ubabakhe naye, siyazi ukuthi ubabakhe bedlala ibhola, for sure idili e-right ezomsebenzela umfana, nanokuthi-ke bazokwazi uku-create-a ama-opportunities for yena umfana. Sazi ukuthi uzodlala this upcoming weekend because of sibonile ukuthi bamdrobhile kule squad lesi besitravela ukuya eGibhithe. Usalile-ke umfana because of baselecthe uGiven Msimango and then noKunika no-Inacio Miguel. But-ke asijampe from ezaka-Eden McCarthy siye kulo Khanyisa Mayo bafethu, is very close to ukuthi abuye ukuthi adlale. Ujima kahle kakhulu bafethu, seqalile ukujima, waqala ukujima I think 2 weeks 3 weeks back aqala ukujima ne-team, but bejima nayo lezi zinto lezi ezi-easy, but lezi ezi-strong angajimi nayo, but manje sekajima nabo-ke manje full time. Kusho ukuthi sokulele kubo coach ukuthi o-coach bazomfaka nini back inside the field of play. I don't know, maybe sekumele a-catch up nje ku-fitness level kuphela, possibly I think singambona before i-league ivalwa. I think i-Chiefs ngoba idlala imeshi yokugcinayo ngeyi-7 December, maybe ngeyi-3 or ngeyi-7, but kuyodependa kubo coach bazobheka i-fitness yakhe ukuthi ukuphi nanokuthi u-ready na. But-ke uMayo injury yakhe i-right kakhulu manje, noma ngithi yena u-healthy ukuthi akwazi ukudlala, ukuthi akwazi ukukhompyutha, ukufayitha for spaces laphana. Siyazi ukuthi le position leya ku-striking department baningi kakhulu abalwela leya position, but umfana naye is back to fight for i-space sakhe. Engingayazi-ke indaba yakhe kuDudley bafethu, yabo le ndaba yedolo yakaDudley yini bayibizani, ACL or yini le walimala umfana? Hhayi leya nto inzima kakhulu bafethu, cause ungathi umuntu u-right but-ke akekho right, and ungathi u-right lento yakhe eqalele phansi, bamthinte nje ebujimini or bamthinte kuphi athinteke eqalele phansi, uthi ipholile kanti ayipholanga. So I think njengoba bangafuni ukumrasha, obvious naye bebathe uzoba khona phela lo muntu lona early September, zange abe khona. Bathe uzoqala ukujima ne-team full time everything, azange aqala ukujima ne-team everything bafethu full training, no. Utrainela nje yedwa le namanje sokunesikhathi. Asazi ukuthi maybe ku-international, njengoba besiku-international break, i-Chiefs i-travel-ile futhi idlalile igame yayo yokuqala laphana ku-continental level kuma-group stage, ukuthi yena sekakuphi because of we're not getting anything really, because of obvious kunama-setbacks akhona. Naye umfana maybe lento le yamcindezela mental ukuthi akakwazi ukudlala because of i-injury yakhe. Basaba ukuthi kanti akakapholi kahle, into ebathusayo ukuthi bafuna uku-make-a sure ukuthi everything is in order because lo muntu kudala agcina ukudlala bafowethu. But ama-qualities waDudley bafethu, is a good pass of the ball, uyakwazi ukuliswitch, yazi ukuliswitcha uyakwazi. Amanye amaphasi wakhe uphasa ngathi uyi-midfielder. Ile nto le bengisho day before bafethu ukuthi khona ama-midfielder amaningi ku-Kaizer Chiefs awakwazi ukuphasa ama-long balls, but uDudley as i-defender uyakwazi ukuphasa ama-long balls kahle nje, good. So amanye ama-midfielders angakwazi ukufunda emaplayeni afana noDudley. Yabona ukuthi kwabuya uDudley noMsimango, uthola ukuthi ufithi, everyone nje ufithi laphana emuva kuzoba i-competition izoba serious ngempela. So abaningi bazozama ukulwela isikhala, but-ke some of the soldiers will fall off because of, hhayi ukuthi phela kuzodlala bonke abantu abazobe be-available, but ukubuya kwaDudley kungatshintsha izinto ey'ningi laphana ethimini. Singabona abadlali bey'misela kakhulu because of bayazi ukuthi ebhentshini khona obani, but kungaba i-boost e-serious ukubuya kwakhe uDudley. Bengicabanga la nge-development player le-Kaizer Chiefs ubani uSabelo Radebe bafowethu, and I came across this thing uTumele Nkhune ekhuluma ngayo public lana esho ukuthi wenze i-right calling ukuthi bona noma bathatha i-right calling that time bamlona to Richards Bay uthi uyi-good player. If any team imnika let's say proper opportunity uyazi ukuthi uzoyisebenzisa leyo opportunity. Umfana bamlona laphana ku-Richards Bay izinto azange zisebenze, we don't know what happened. But if i-legend elifana noyitumele Nkhune umuntu ospend isikhathi naye because of uSabelo wapromothiwa uyitumele Nkhune ekhona lapha, and then uyitumele Nkhune saw everything and then he was able to say lamagama lawa amahle kangaka ngumfana. Kusho there's something about umfana. And then what went wrong? Because le question enkulu. Because we saw him, I didn't get isikhathi esikhulu to see him because of ku-professional setup noma ngithi ku-senior team, but-ke ku-DDC team, he was one of the leaders laphana, if not, he was the captain at some point laphana ku-DDC team engithi. So i-player leli beli-important for i-DDC team, but i-transition yakhe to i-first team, and i-first team bambekezelela. I mean uhlalile for a couple of years ku-first team, but-ke it didn't amount to or to carry the pedigree that he had laphana ku-DDC team. Then what is wrong? Then imbuzo ukuthi ungathi let's say follow up question, yini e-wrong? Is it because let's say izinto ze-transition or abafana mase bafikile le phezulu abaphathi kahle or abakwazi ukuhandle the magnitude of ukudlalela i-Chiefs or ukuba ku-PSL? Or kwenzakalani ngempela? Because when you watch Europe or kwamanye ama-countries, let's say sithe Europe, England, Spain, when they are young, let's say teenagers, bebekhula 19, 17, 18, 19, bebepromothiwa to ama-senior teams, baba ne-system yokuthi ama-player amaningi bakwazi ukuwa-protector amancane ama-player because of baya-understand ukuthi bangena kwesinye i-stage in terms of i-professional setup ne-fame nakho konke, and baya-progress abaningi siyababona baba nama-big career noma bangabi nama-big career lawa lesiwa kuma-teams amakhulu, but-ke bayaya ko-West Ham, bayaya ko-inini, umbone umuntu udlala iminyaka eminingi lesi kuma-team amancane. Well, not really sithi amancane ko-West Ham, ama-team nje a-different, because uma ungabheka khona umuntu engimcabangayo ngoba igama lakhe langilahlekela, uWelbeck. Yes, uWelbeck umuntu engimcabangayo, wavela ku-Manchester United kubonakala ngathi is the biggest thing ever, and then wanyamalala waya kuma-team amancane, but even today usadlala uWelbeck, he never stopped playing, akakaze avela nyamalala ukuthi i-career yakhe seyiphelile. No, abadlali like abaningi yilaba nalabo nje, but-ke in SA I was watching, okay, I did my research and I saw ama-players for the past 5 years bemancane beno-17, 18 apromothiwa to first team e-Chiefs, but i-promotion yakhona azange amounted to anything because of bastaka nje kulelo gama ukuthi bane-first team contract, and then leyo first team contract azange benzele lutho. Ngizokwenza i-list yalawo ma-players soon bafowethu, because I think it's important ukuthi abanye abantu babone elinye iside. Well, it's not just i-Chiefs kuphela bafowethu, wonke ama-team adila nayo lento le. I-Sundowns, futhi i-Sundowns-ke i-West, for mina ngithi i-West ngoba ngazi let's say ama-player on a personal level-ke abakhulele ku-Sundowns, and then bathola ama-first team contract, but azange badlale even one game. Ukuthi ngeke ngiba-mention because bazothi ngikululeko, why manje usifaka kulezi zinto zakho amagama ethu. So ibhola linzima bafowethu, linzima ibhola, like usuke unenhlanhla ngempela uma ukwazi ukuthola i-contract and ukwazi ukuyisebenzisa leyo contract le, i-professional contract, because of it's difficult bafowethu ukuthi uthole i-senior contract. But-ke umfana uSabelo udlala kuma-Lokishini or Kasi Games, akana-team at the moment. Sithemba ukuthi khona okuzovela okungenzeka Nkosi yami kuvele. Ziyakhala. Ngikhuluma ngaye nje ngicabanga even nangomdansane, umdansane besimthanda bafowethu before I think before bekakuphi konje umdansane la bekashisa khona kakhulu before aya ku-Ajax Cape Town, khona la bekakhona. I think ama-teams team for around eLimpopo, so la bekashisa khona kakhulu umdansane. Then wadelaya ukuya kuma-big teams, and then waqala eCape Town. But-ke eCape Town kula wa-elevator igame yakhe to the highest level, and then i-Chiefs-ke yakwazi ukuyomthatha khona laphana eCape Town. So eyi kunzima bafowethu, hhayi kunzima ebholeni. Hhayi kunzima. Like no one is guaranteed like noma kubonakala ngathi umuntu usefikile, awukakafiki. Kumele ukwazi ukuwuphatha, ukwazi ukuhendlela ezinye izinto. Izinto eziningi nje ziyakwazi ukusheyipa and then ziyi-destroy-e i-career yakho if awukho cognizant or awubheki ezinye izinto. Cause kumele ubheke ukuthi u-around obani, benzani labo bantu labo, abenzi ezinye izinto mhlampe ezikucindezelayo wena on a personal level. Uzazi ukuthi uwubani, ungathatheki because of manje sowubona ngathi u-unstoppable. No, ungathatheki. Ungenzi izinto based on abangani, yenza izinto owaziyo ukuthi zibhenefitha wena. And enye into ebalulekile ukuthi I mean uzi-isolate from abanye abantu. Kufana nokuthi you can't be earning i-200,000 kodwa abangani bakho bonke bahola ama-5,000, yabo? Bazokubhayizisa labo bantu labo futhi ngiyakutshela. Ngicela ukuyibamba lana okwamanje. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi i-page ifika ku-15.